Hello everyone and welcome to the Comolio channel. Now I have this advice to cut their apples in a way that they completely take advantage of the fruit, and that they can immediately serve it for their guests, or also so that their little ones can take it to school, or where they go to do their activities, but already split. So that the little ones do not have a problem when eating it because they will come in bits. Let's see how it is done. First we take the apple, and turn it away, since the top has more surface, so that it is sustained well, and not slipped. Now what we do, is mark some imaginary lines in the form of number, or cat as we say here in Mexico. And having already located the parts where we are going to cut, we take the knife, and very carefully not cut ourselves, we start from that way. Try to hold the apple well because there will be a time when you will separate as it is shown in the video. So go well so as not to cut themselves, and not be separated at all, if they want it for the lunch of their children. It will already be seen in this way, and as they see the only waste is the one in the middle. And it is nothing compared to what we get from the fruit. Already departure, we can put it directly on the dish with a variety of cheeses, or with other fruits, or as you like. I know that you will have much better, so tell me in the comments with which you usually eat the apple. To serve our little ones, it is very simple. When they finish cutting the apple, just hold it well so that all pieces are together, and only put a leek around it so that our children, nephews, or grandchildren already carry the apple in its natural form, but already split. And without it oxide, which is what happens most of the time, we split them, and put them in a container. Apart from the fact that children will love it since they will carry their apple ready to eat it in pieces, and will not have to fight to bite it, or have oxidized for time. And for those who are wondering that how much it can last without oxidizing the apple, we leave it for more than 4 hours, and as can be seen in the video, it still has the yellowish color of the apple without being completely oxidized, as it could happen if we split it from before, and put in a container. This apple was taken by my wife the next day to work, and says that it was still well, as seen on the screen. Unfortunately, I did not ask him to take the picture, but believe me that he would not have eaten it differently. As they could see, with just leaving the apple in another way, we can take advantage of it completely, or at least already know that there is another way of splitting it, and that we can take them to our work without sending them to the children, and that they can already enjoy it. Apart from that, it is a fun and different way of giving something to our children that sometimes it is not so appealing to them, but playing with it will be more attractive. So try in their homes, and tell me in the comments how they went. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends, and acquaintances, give you like on the Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very useful. Thanks for seeing us, and hopefully they like this advice. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.